Hey guys, Mark and Swan here. If you're looking at this video, you want to know how you can generate more leads, sales, and reps and maximize the compensation plan for your LifeVantage business. And that means that you have the right mindset because network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. The top earners have studied the craft. Be present on this video. I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets, reveal industry secrets, rapid fire. No fluff, no time wasting, all facts. Saving the number one bonus for the very end. Stay tuned for instant results. You're going to learn exactly how I went from being virtually unknown to becoming the number one lead generator in one of my companies. You're going to learn the best ways to generate leads online, even if you're currently unknown with virtually zero technical skill required. I'm going to show you the exact, simple, three-step formula that I use to hit the leaderboard for recruiting and to hit the leaderboard for sales with another company. You're going to learn how to get a minimum of 100 or more highly qualified and targeted leads to you within the next 30 days. So you never have to chase people again. So you never have to cold message people. In this way, you can attract highly targeted and highly qualified leads to you of people who actually buy. And ultimately, you can start having the lifestyle and freedom that you dreamed of when you started this business in the first place. How many of you would like to have a business working for you instead of the other way around? You're going to get my exact YouTube Fast Start Blueprint, my exact Facebook Fast Start Blueprint. For YouTube, you want to identify the keyword that you want to go after. This is done by looking at what others who have already accomplished what you want to accomplish, looking at what they've done, and creating similar content going after the same keywords. You're going to utilize a tool called TubeBuddy, and I left the link in the description. This tool allows you to go to the video that you want to replicate, click on the video, and copy the tags to the Word document. These tags are the keywords that you're going to rank for on Google and YouTube to bring traffic to what you have to offer. You're going to create a coherent title with your keyword-rich phrase and make sure your title goes after multiple keywords while still making sense. Create a description that's 300 words long and scatter your keywords throughout this description. Place your link at the top of the description. At the end, you're going to create a thumbnail using canva.com and save your thumbnail as the primary keyword. Here's some quick tips. Don't reinvent the wheel. It's okay to be a copycat, just copy the right cat. You don't want to copy word for word verbatim what somebody's saying, but you want to make similar content going after the same keywords. 3 to 5 minute long content and use open broadcast system to share your screen. Save the video as your keyword optimized title. For Facebook, you want to find out exactly where your target audience is hanging out. It's a common mistake to think your marketing is for everyone under the sun. Your message is not for everyone. If you're marketing to everyone, you're essentially marketing to no one. You want to find where like-minded people, and essentially in this case, it's going to be like-minded network marketers. You want to find out exactly where they're hanging out and reach out to them. And here's a good first message. Hey Mary, I almost didn't reach out to you, but then I decided to anyway. I've been noticing the comments that you made on the Tony Robbins fan page, and I decided to check out your profile. Seems like we got a lot in common when it comes to mindset and work ethic, and I would love to connect. It would be great to chat with you. What exactly do you do for work? So something along those lines would be a good first sentence because it's genuine and it gets the conversation going. As you start to build your audience, you're going to want to engage with your audience by having engaging pictures, fill in the blanks, questions, and we'll dive more deep into things that you can post on your timeline. Again, for groups, some good groups are Robert Kiyosaki group, Tony Robbins fan page. You want to do 5 to 10 connections each day. And the key here is to be social and have your mindset around making connections. You don't want to be in these groups, the person that's trying to pitch people and do those kind of things. It's not going to work out well. For attracting people to you, you want to post curiosity and not resistance. So that means 90% of your post should be personal and 10% should be about your business. The 10% about your business should be results of your team and your own results. The 90% personal can be imagery, pictures of you at the beach, hanging out with family, friends, and pictures of food, lifestyle pictures, random questions, the funny polls, those kind of things are all good things to post. And a good example of a curiosity post is this. This morning I have made a great smoothie with apples, oranges, mangoes, green powder, almond milk. I had energy all day long. People may reach out to you and ask you what is that green powder, and that green powder may have something to do with your business. Hey guys, I hope you really got value from this. If you did, feel free to continue your education by clicking the link in the description. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you exactly how I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day, where some people sign up into my business on autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link. And again, I hope you guys got value from this, and I'll see you on the other side.